with Zachary and
Mali.
We're gonna make a spicy beef salad. We got our 5 ingredients here. We got some lime juice. Careful. We got some sliced garlic and sliced shallots, cut green onions, and grilled thin sliced beef. And over in this bowl, we got tossed cut lettuce with mint leaves. All stirred up. Now, first we're going to add in our garlic. Everything in there. Next, add these green onions and the shallots. There we go. Gonna add in our beef. Whole chunk of it. Wait, don't have the. No. Well, wait. Now we got our beef. Ooh. Finally, we're gonna drizzle this lemon juice all over.
And put some salt and pepper.
Now extra salt because it has to be salty a little. Now we'll add some pepper.
Then we're gonna mix it all up.
Yep. This is easy to make at home. Just grill the beef. Make sure everything's nice and cooked in there. Now then slice it up. Slice the lettuce. And the garlic and the shallots.
And make sure you get all the ingredients.
Yep. And mix some lime juice. It doesn't matter if it's pulp lime juice or not. It's just regular lime juice anyway. Just give this a mix. Hold on.
That's good.
You bet.
That's beautiful. Whew.
Okay. Perfectly mixed. Now let's give this a taste.
Oh.
Wait. Will you? What do you think? Good? Oh. You can make this at home anytime you want. Make sure you cook everything nice and neat. Stir it up good. This is good for all your family and friends.
It tastes delicious when you're done.
I think I need a little more salt and pepper. What?
Do you think it's gonna be too salty? Add a little bit more pepper.
Everyone likes smoky tastes.
Get that pepper.
Okay, that's enough. You wasted all the pepper. Okay, anyways. Let me get a stir.
It's okay.
Sorry about that. There we go. Just better.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Peace. And remember, eat, make it, then eat it.